Okay.
I stayed quiet because because obviously my piece is both musical and I'm trying to incorporate music. So this is my intro part.
I know. Sorry, please, can you stand there? Just so I can see you.
Oh, no, I'm gonna go.
Oh,
Yeah.
But yeah, I want to play this before my piece.
Okay.
So I don't know if you'll be able to hear it. I will get this on.
Are you going to be dancing for this?
No. Okay, I'll come in like this. Have you ever heard of a £10 rocket? Swallow blast, force itself into an elliptical orbit. Stargazing for daydreamers and fantasy lane dwellers, trapped on a trip. Plus, a shallow swig of water, thoughts are drowned. Dial tones muffle out voluptuously for the sonic booms of drum and bass Wednesdays at the bar. Specificities in Clearly's face. A never-ending mind maze of meddling moronic hoo-has that nod off to the cold fuel music that ignites this rocket. Thrusters burns as G-force is locked in like the bass vibrations thumping wildly around the room. Temperatures fluctuate in accordance to this reverb. Words are heard from screams and motions of an angry woman. The sheer sting of contact, doused in cold liquid, accelerates this rocket. Nothing or no one can stop this. Higher and higher, blood boils, mouth parches, alarm bells sound off and exhaustion hits. Self-destruct button pressed, abandoned ship scrambles for the loop. Played out like in slow-mo. Vivid faces morph and laugh as reality becomes cold from this constant draft. Fear grips the ship, slips cascading, derailing as this rocket crash and burn. Stargazing for daydreamers and fantasy lane dwellers, trapped on my